Welcome to this training video on Interpret SELDM, the post-processor for the Stochastic Empirical Loading and Dilution model SELDM. This video and the associated software were prepared by the U.S. Geological Survey in cooperation with the Federal Highway Administration. In this video, we will calculate the risk for exceeding an input dilution factor from all the analyses in a selected SELDM project. Once a project is selected, the first step is to select the type of output interpretation to do from the combo box. For this example, we will select the Calculate Exceeded Risk Percentage from Input Dilution Factor item. To proceed, we will click the Interpret Output button. Let's use an example dilution factor of 0.5, indicating that about half the downstream flow is highway runoff. When we click the Run button, the Interpret SELDM program digs through all the analyses in the selected project to calculate the exceedance risk for the input dilution factor. The results are available in the text box almost immediately. Clicking the text box will copy the results to the clipboard. The tab-delimited output may be pasted into a spreadsheet, word processor, or text editor for later use. The program will launch a message box to confirm that the tab-delimited text was copied. You also may save the tab-delimited results in a text file. The program uses a standard Save File dialog. To return to the main menu, click the Close Form button. This concludes our video for calculating the exceeded risk percentage from input dilution factor with the Interpret SELDM program.